Let us start with the college. When logged into IQ Genie as a college, you see the performance details of all your students. You can click on the header of the table to sort it by the number of attempts made or the number of variations. Click details regarding any user. The username is displayed on the right top corner. The graphs show you number of attempts made and how many of them are correct. Clicking on topics shows you a timeline based growth in the number of attempts and number of correct options marked by topic. You can move on any of the button to see at what time that attempt was made. You can see details of any other student, see the time spent, the number of marks achieved. To log in as a college, create account with Google. Select college in the drop down. Write your mobile and password and click on login. You have to set your college passcode. Let us log in first. Click on Visit Studio. There are no students added yet. You can click on Settings to change your passcode. Give your new passcode and click on Update. The updated passcode will be shown here. That is how you set up a college account. To start monitoring students, you require students to send you a monitoring request. So sign up as a student. As a student, you create an account by clicking on Create Account using Google. Verify with Google, set your mobile and password. By default, the account type is student. Click on Submit. Go back to home. Then log in with the mobile number and password you just entered. You can go to the application. Since you have signed up new, you have not made any passcode requests. If you try to start your aptitude wizard course, we already are running a special price that is shown to you. I'll come back to this again. In the URL, you can go to iqgenie.org/student/ to visit the student studio. You have not made any attempts. You can enter the passcode of the college and make a request. If it is found, it is shown as success. Under settings, the passcode request status is pending. I'm coming back to the college account. The college has to accept the request from the student. We visit the college studio, and under requests you see a new request has been generated. Clicking on accept accepts the student. There are no more requests, and in the table you see The student listed, there's no data yet for the student. I'll go back to the student account. I'll go to the application. Let me solve a question now and see how it reflects. This is to find the day of the week for a date. Let me mark today, 7th May 2020. That is a Thursday. I've answered it right. This is the detailed explanation of the shortcut used. Now back in the college display, still the correct options are 0. I have to refresh. Now I see that it is reflected. I can check details and the graph shows that I've spent time on calendars and I've marked an answer. For the topics, calendars graph has to be shown, but there is only one point on the graph, so it is not visible yet. Let me change this again. Once the free trial has expired, you'll have to join the Aptitude Wizard course. Now when you try to start the course, you have a further discount and there's a passcode applied. Any student who tries to join the Aptitude Wizard course has a free trial account before he joins. If you have used the passcode, then there's a special price applicable with a discount of an additional 400 rupees. You can click on pay and complete your payment. We have created a new channel, Test Aptitude Today, on YouTube to broadcast our open source content. Subscribe for video updates. Thank you. Have a great time learning.